So these are content for chapter 1, right? So introduction, production system, okay? So production system here can be divided into 2, facilities and manufacturing support system. And number 3, automation, okay? Dalam production system, manual labor, and automation principle and strategies. So these are realities of modern manufacturing. Okay, first one is global, yeah, globalization. So once this country, especially China, India, Mexico, is before this is under developed countries, now become the major players in manufacturing. One of the reason why these countries again become major players in manufacturing because of the labor costs, right? They have a cheap labor costs, right? That's why now we come the okay, advanced one of the major players in manufacturing. And number 2, yeah, international outsourcing. Okay, parts and products once made by local company now been made offshore, overseas or near shore, right? Example here is Japan. You know that Japan, the cost of labor is very expensive. Yeah. So dia akan guna international outsourcing. Right? Local outsourcing, use of suppliers within the country to provide parts and services. Okay. Example dia Proton, Produa. Okay. So dia ada supplier. Yeah. Dalam country, dalam our country, so they can provide the part and services. Because Proton, Produa, okay, contoh Proton sekarang dia diambil alih oleh Gillian, right, from China. So dia fokus on what? Dia fokus on engine saja kan, and dia punya components lain tu, let's say tire, dia punya absorber, dia punya bagi dia punya any component lah. Lampu dia is not made by Proton, okay? Dia hanya fokus on engine. Yang lain tu adalah dia punya supplier, okay? Dia punya vendor, right? And then contract manufacturing, okay? Companies that specialize in manufacturing type products, okay? Not just parts under contract to other companies. Sama tadi lah, ya, yang Proton ni kan, Geely tadi kan. And quality expectation. So now we want a product with high quality. Okay, demand product of the highest quality. And next one is last one is a need for operational efficiency. Okay, manufacturers must be efficient in the operation. Okay, to overcome the labor cost advantage of international competitors. Okay. So our manufacturing process must be efficient. All right. So these are the 6 realities of modern manufacturing. And this one is modern manufacturing approaches and technologies. Okay, so for automation, right? So with automated equipment instead of labor. Okay, so we compensate disadvantage of labor costs, right? Especially in Japan, right? The labor cost is very high, right? So they can compensate the labor cost disadvantage. Okay, so if with automation, okay, with automation here, we can reduce labor costs. Okay, we can reduce production time. Okay, if we can reduce this labor cost and production time, we can increase our product quality. So this automation. And second one is material handling technologies, right? So involve a sequence of activities. You transfer your product from one workstation to the workstation. Okay. So because yes, manufacturing usually involve a sequence of activities. Okay, you know that dalam manufacturing technology, okay, to make a product we have a sequence of process kan. Number 3, manufacturing system where integrate and coordinate multiple automated or manual workstation. Okay. Example here, if we have a production line, okay, so this production line will have a series of workstation, right? And this all workstation, okay, will be coordinated, okay, and we need to integrate using a SIM, computer integrated manufacturing. Next one is flexible manufacturing, where to compete in the low volume or high mix product categories. Quality program, right? So to achieve the high quality that expected by the customer. So how we can achieve this high quality? So we employ or we adopt a statistical quality control. Okay. Contohnya SQC ataupun Six Sigma or Taguchi method. Okay. So that we can increase our punya quality product. Reduce our dia punya defect. Kamu akan belajar nanti quality dalam semester 2. Okay. Kamu akan jumpa saya lagi semester 2 lah. Okay. And then SIM, okay, integrate design, production and logistic. Okay. So we use CAD/CAM, okay, computer aided design, computer aided manufacturing. And then lastly is lean production. So these are the approaches that in modern manufacturing, lean production, where more work with fewer resources. Okay, so this is how we can increase labor productivity and also increase our operational efficiency. So far okay? I think okay kan? Ni senang aja ni harapan. Right. And then next one is a definition for production system. Okay. So definition here, production system adalah a collection of people, right? So people here can be referred as dia punya direct labor people ataupun sebagai blue collar workers. Okay, so blue collar workers or direct labor people is person or personnel that operating the facilities. Okay, contohnya adalah dia punya technician, operator, right? And then the second one is a direct, and the second one is a professional staff people, right? Or you call it white collar workers. This one is that person that responsible for the manufacturing support system. Okay, can be punya engineers, okay, plant manager, right? And the equipment is your machine, okay, the machine and procedures organized to accomplish manufacturing operation of a company. So procedure can be you punya Taguchi method, your quality control, okay? You punya GT, group technology, how you organize you punya machine, okay? So this definition for production system. This collection of people, equipment, and procedure. So two categories, facilities, okay? The factory and equipment in the facility and the way the facility is organized, okay? Which is planned out, okay? And manufacturing support system, okay, set of procedures used by company to manage production, solve technical logistic problem in ordering materials, okay, moving work through the factory, which is you punya material handling, okay. This one ordering material is you punya it can be you punya MRP, material resource planning, right? And then ensuring that product meets quality standard. This is punya QC. Okay? So facilities includes factory, machine, tooling, you punya material, handling equipment, okay, AGV, okay, automated guided vehicle, inspection equipment. Okay, inspection equipment can be you punya vision machine. Okay, and computer system they control the manufacturing operation. Okay, so plan layout is the way how equipment is physically arranged in the factory. Okay, and manufacturing system is logical groupings of equipment workers in the factory. Okay, so how you arrange you punya tu sama ada dalam production line, okay, ataupun standalone workstation and worker. Production line you can be you punya loop ada loop ke, U shape ke, okay. So there are three categories how we define human, okay, participate in the process. Okay, first one is manual work system, right? So worker performing one or more tasks without the aid of power tools, but sometimes using hand tool. Okay, this you punya raw material starting work unit and the process. Okay, so the process. So worker we use a hand tools. Okay, the process. Example ya, contohnya apa? Let's say kalau proses ni adalah related with the quality. Okay, so quality. So how you check dia punya quality? Maybe check dia punya diameter ke, dia punya dia guna micrometer kan. Ini untuk manual lah, manual work saja. Ataupun assembly workers dalam kasih. Kalau those yang buat LI, kamu dah buat LI dah? Dah buat LI kan? Ada buat LI?
Belum.
Belum.
Buat LI tau. Bila buat LI?
Bulan
This year.
tahun depan.
Kalau masih COVID ni apa tak ada kan? Okay, wah. Those yang student yang cukup yang dia ada pengalaman dia pergi ke SMD kan, sistem dalam industri yang involved dalam SMD. Okay, contohnya ini manual work system kalau dalam kasit. Okay, kita buat kasit. So kasit everything is manual. Manual. Dia guna hand tool, dia guna tu. Dia ada gun tu untuk staple dia punya apa tu? Fabric dekat dia punya kasit tu. Alright. And then this one is a worker machine system where worker operate the powered equipment. Okay. So example here, ini contoh ni how kita assemble, how this worker assemble automotive, okay, industry, okay, so guna powered equipment, right? Ataupun maybe we have one production line, okay, so each of this production line consists of many workstation, and each of this workstation, okay, it has a machine. So this machine can be manual machine, okay, so manual contohnya lathe machine, okay. So we need human to operate this manual lathe machine. So this is a worker machine system, okay. So worker operates powered equipment. And number 3 is automated system, process performed by a machine without direct participation of a human. Okay, so ini fully automated ataupun semi-automated lah. Alright, so fully automated, yes, human just monitor the process. Okay, melalui kita ada banyak workstation. Okay, so station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4. So each of these station, okay, we monitor by dia punya master. And this one is a manufacturing support system. So manufacturing support system, okay. So has consists of 4 functions, right? 4 functions: business function, product design, manufacturing planning, and manufacturing control. Right? Business function, design, planning, control. So your business function is how you communicate with you punya customer. Okay. So here, that's why here we have customer order. Okay. So business function is the beginning and end of the information dalam proses ni. Okay. So you receive information or receive information here refers maybe you punya customer requirement, customer specification. Okay. So business function. And then once you get you punya customer order, okay, so you pass information to you punya product design. Right? So for the design, okay, so dalam design, okay, you design your product ni based on you punya customer tadi. So it goes to information goes to you punya manufacturing planning. And then once you transfer this one, you must communicate you punya production system facilities. Right? You punya facilities. Okay. Make sure that when you design a product here, you punya the facilities, okay, is able to produce that product. Okay. And then goes to manufacturing planning. Manufacturing planning here is a sequence of individual assembly, okay, that are needed to produce you punya part. Let's say we have, let's say you want to produce one product. So this product, it consists maybe first one we make a face milling, okay, all right. And second one you make a hole. Second one, third one maybe you assemble it. So this what I call a process planning, okay, a sequence of individual processing. Boleh tak? Tidur kan?
Tak tidur. Bangun sir.
Okay, sir.
Suara sir handsome.
Pandai kamu. Okay. And then process planning, production planning. Okay, production planning here include logistic, right? Logistic, and then you punya ini process planning, production planning. MPS, MPS here is refers to master production schedule. Okay, MPS. MPS here is a list of product, what of product they need to be made. Okay, dates, okay, on which they need to be delivered, and quantities. Okay. And then we have a MRP. MRP, you learn MRP kan dalam manufacturing system kan? Kan? Dah baca tak MRP dalam manufacturing system? Apa tu manufacturing system dalam MRP tu? Apa tu? Tak ada bunyi. Tadi ada bunyi. Lalu diam lah. Senyap lah. MRP. MRP stand for what? Ni. 60224. Siapa tu 60224?
Material requirement planning.
Manufacturing resource planning.
What is material requirement planning tu? Apa tu material requirement planning tu?
Salah.
61469. Ni sekejap. 61469. Siapa tu? Siapa 61469? 61469. Cuba munculkan diri kamu. Kamu ada tak sini? 61469. Mana video ni? Video ni. Mana ada 61649? Right. Hello. Dah. 61469. Siapa 61469 ni? Dia dalam ni ke? Ataupun dia on handphone dia? Ya. Ya. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Vậy à? Rất là đáng này. 是浪费时间的。
Tak ada ke 61469 ni? Okey, tak apalah. Alright. Itunya kelemahan buat online ni. Saya tak dapat tengok kamu. Tahu kamu tidur. Kamu baring atas katil kan? Dan memang dia jamban, dia jamban. Yalah mungkin dia jamban kan. Dia on dia punya handphone tapi dia tak tahu gimana. Alright. So MRP, Material Requirement Planning. Okay, Material Requirement Planning is dia punya material, right? What material you need to purchase, right? And then capacity planning, okay? So capacity planning here is concerned with dia punya how you plan you punya manpower, okay? You punya machine resources, okay? And then once you information goes here, so you need to go to manufacturing control, alright? So manufacturing control here is concerned with how you manage and control the physical operation. Okay, contohnya shop floor control, alright? Inventory control, okay? Soal duha. Oh, ya buat duha sekarang, waktu kelas. Then quality control, alright? This manufacturing control. Okay, once ni dia pergi balik ke business function. So it's a one cycle, right? So this a manufacturing support system. Okay, right. So two categories of automation in production system: automation of manufacturing system in the factory. Second one is computerization of the manufacturing support system. Okay, so these two categories overlap, okay, and then connected, okay, to the factory manufacturing system using a computer integrated manufacturing, okay, SIM, right? So then this one is an example of automated manufacturing system, okay. Contohnya automated machine tools, transfer lines, assembly, okay, robot, industrial robot, okay, automated material handling, storage, automatic inspection system to quality control. And this slide shows the basic types of automated, okay, manufacturing system. It can be fixed automation, programmable automation, flexible automation. For fixed automation, sequence of processing, okay, operation is fixed by the equipment configuration. So dia punya features for fixed automation is suitable to high production quantities, right? High initial investment, high production rates, and inflexible, so not flexible in accommodating product variety. So for fixed automation, it's only produce a simple ataupun one product only. Okay, tapi dalam quantity yang tinggi, high quantity. So fixed automation. And next one is a programmable automation. So it's a system designed with the capability to change the sequence of operation to accommodate different product configuration. Okay, so the operation of sequence here is controlled by a program. Okay, so normally kita guna NC machine. Right? Typical features are high investment in general purpose equipment. So dia punya production rates lower compared dengan fixed automation. Flexible, okay, deal with variation changes in product configuration, suitable untuk batch production, okay, and then physical setup and program must be changed between jobs or batches. Okay, so if you produce batch 1, okay, and then next batch 2, so you need to reconfigure you punya workstation, okay, physical setup and part program cannot change. Jadi ini programmable automation. And the third one is flexible automation. Okay, it's an extension of programmable automation in which the system is capable of changing over from one job to the next with no lost time between job. So for this flexible automation, you don't need to reconfigure you punya workstation. Compare with the tadi yang kedua yang tadi kan, iaitu flexible programmable automation kan, right? Yeah, you need this one kan, you need to reconfigure you punya, okay, workstation. This one is you don't need to reconfigure. Okay, features: high investment, continuous production of variable pieces of product, medium production rates. Okay, it's flexible to deal with soft product variety. Ini dia punya graph, okay. So in terms of product variety, so programmable automation, okay, product variety is very high, okay, compared with when the production quantity is low, okay, right. And this one is automation production system, computerized manufacturing support system. So objective of this computerized is reduce amount of manual and critical effort dalam product design, planning, control, and business function. So we integrate computer aided design (CAD) and computer aided manufacturing (CAM). CAD/CAM. So SIM, computer integrated manufacturing, includes CAD/CAM and business function of the firm. So this is the reason why we need to automate. First one, we're going to increase labor productivity, increase our production rate. Second one, to reduce labor costs. If our labor cost is high, so by automating, we can reduce labor costs. Mitigate the effect of labor shortages. Number 4, reduce or remove routine manual critical tasks. Safety, all right. So this one is if we are in a hazardous working environment, contohnya dalam radioactive. Okay, so you need to automate. Improve product quality. Okay, so by automate, all right, we can produce product with a greater uniformity and conformity. So increasing you punya product quality. Reduce manufacturing lead time. Okay, So reduce you punya elapsed time, okay, between customer order dan you punya product delivery. Number 8, accomplish what cannot be done manually. Okay. Contohnya when you want to machine a complex part, so you tak boleh buat guna manual, you need to automate, you guna CNC. And then number 9 is to avoid the high cost of not automating. Semua company dah buat automation, kamu masih manual. So you punya production akan turun compare with So this to avoid the high cost of not automating. Right. So is there a place for manual labor in the modern production system? Do we need a manual labor dalam modern production system? Perlu tak? Do we need?
Untuk yang specialized production lah kan, sir.
Yes, okay. So we need still
needed, sir.
manual labor dalam modern production system. Okay. Contohnya satu, okay, to expect manual labor in factory operations, okay, ataupun labor in manufacturing support system. Alright. So support system dia apa ni? Manufacturing support system ni. Apa ni? Manufacturing support system ni. Tadi kan ada 4 function tadi kan? Business function. Apa lagi? Dia punya design, planning, dia punya capacity, quality control, okay? So we need the some of the manufacturing support system, we need the manual labor. So the long-term trend is toward greater use of automated system to substitute for manual labor. When is manual labor justified? First, if that countries have a very low labor rate and automation cannot be justified. Yang ni kita kena guna manual lah. Especially yang country with low labor rate. Okay. Task that is too technologically difficult to automate. Contohnya apa? Let's say we have problem dalam to access, okay, to the work location. Contohnya kalau yang hazardous, yang radioaktif kan. No. Salah. Do automation. Tak. Yang difficult to some process you cannot automate there. Okay? Yang menggunakan skill. Okay? Menggunakan skill, human skill. Contohnya kalau especially kalau you tengok dalam pembuatan jam. Okay? Yang jam kan dia tak boleh guna robot tu. Kan? Yang high quality, high end watch tu. Dia guna manual. Right? It's too technologically difficult to automate. Number 3, short product life cycle. Okay, if your product life cycle is very short, okay, so you guna manual je lah. Alright. Customized product requires humans flexibility. So because humans are more flexible compared with automation, kan? Kalau automation, kalau dia satu produk satu je lah, tapi human dia very flexible. Right? To cope with ups and downs in demand, okay? And number 6, to reduce risk of product failure. Okay? Especially kalau we want to introduce a new product. So kalau you want to introduce new product, takkan you terus automate you punya production kan? Okay? You try dulu. If your product is success or accepted by the customer and market, only then you automate you punya production system. Right? And then this one, product designer who bring creativity to the design tasks. Okay, so we need manufacturing engineers. You design, okay, equipment, plan the production methods and routines. Okay, so kita still need human. Okay, robot cannot design, kan? Robot disuruh dia arah buat tu, dia buat je lah. Okay, tapi dia tak boleh fikir. Maintenance, we cannot ask robot to do maintenance. kita kena buat, kita ada maintenance team, programming and computer operation. Programming, you can ask apa tu, robot to do programming, engineering, project work, plant management. Okay, to plant management here is how you run you punya factory. So you need a plant manager. This one is automation principle and strategies. So you use a USA principle. So we have 10 strategies. And then third one is automation migration strategies. The USA here is understand, simplify. You understand, and simplify. Here is automate. So you understand you punya output, input, value chain analysis, okay, and then it's possible you simplify you punya process, reduce unnecessary step and move. Okay, and then the third one, if possible you automate the process. So there are 10 strategies how you go from manual to automation. It's called automation migration strategy. So strategies for automation, process improvement, specialization of operation. Okay, combine operation if possible. You want combine in one workstation. Okay, so we combine. Okay, so we combine operation. So we can reduce the number of machine. Okay, simultaneous operations. So 2 or more processing assembly operations performed simultaneously. Yeah. So in this way, you can reduce you punya processing time, right? And integrations of operations, okay? Integration of operation, how you link workstation, okay? Many workstation into single integrated mechanism, ataupun you punya work handling devices, how you transfer you punya parts between workstation, right? Increase flexibility, okay. So you increase you punya utilization of equipment, right? Involve flexible automation, so if you increase flexibility, you can involve flexible automation, right? So if you increase flexibility, you can reduce setup time and programming time, because dalam flexible automation you don't need to reconfigure you punya workstation kan. Kalau you punya production change from batch 1 to batch 2, so you don't need to reconfigure you punya workstation. Number 6, improve material handling and storage. 7, online inspection. Okay, so if we have online inspection, we can reduce scrap. Okay, we can detect, if you can detect there is a defect you punya product, you boleh reduce you punya scrap. Kan, early stage boleh reduce punya scrap and defect. Process control and optimization, so if you can have this one, so we increase you punya product quality. And plant operation control, okay, this one is involve a high level of computer networking, how you integrate computer dalam setiap dia punya workstation. And number 10, SIM, computer integrated manufacturing. Okay, use a computer application, computer database ataupun computer networking. Okay, itu dia punya dalam plant. Alright. And then this one is automation migration. Phase 1, manual production. Okay, everything is manual. Single station, man cell. So this is your cell 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is your new workstation. Okay, everything is manual. Okay, even you punya transfer you punya parts also is manual handling. Okay, advantages here, quick to set up, low cost tooling. Right. So once you punya product dah stable, okay, so you pergi ke automated. Ayah ambil adik. Kamu okay. Afio, okay. Right. Kamu tahu ada kelas kan? Phase 2, automated production. Okay, single station automated cell. Okay, independently. So manual, but you by transfer you punya product is manual, but you punya process is automated. Okay, automated production. And phase 3, automated integrated production. Is everything is automate. Okay. So ini adalah automation migration strategy. You can see if you punya product demand, okay. So in early stage you masih guna manual, okay. So business product demand increasing, okay, you guna phase 2, okay, which is automated production, okay. So and then you punya lagi increase, so you guna automated integrated production, right? So this is how you migrate from manual to fully automated. So advantage of automation migration strategy is that your introduction of new product in the shortest time. So automation to be reduced gradually, right? So based on you punya product demand, so avoids the commitment to a high level of automation from the start, okay, to new product demand, because we don't know you punya product demand is unpredictable. Right? So what are manufacturing system? Dah habis kita. Okay, what is a manufacturing system? How they are distinguished from production system? So it's a logical group of equipment, okay? Semua dia dalam tu lah, dalam. Okay, and then this one is do we need workers, human, okay? Human ini ada plant. Contohnya dalam maintenance, programming, plant, okay. And then what is automation migration strategy? Okay, is formalized plan. You evolve the management system used to produce new product as demand grows. So we finish chapter 1. Ada soalan tak?
No question, so
No question. Oh, bagus lah. No question. Bagus. Okay, kamu sudah log in semua?
yes.
Okay, ada soalan? Kalau tak ada soalan, kita jumpa lagi hari Isnin. Jumpa. Alright. Assalamualaikum semua. Thank you. Okay,
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
Salam, sir.
What a pro.
Sir, have a nice day.
Sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
Scan aja istilah hari Jumat dah Zuhur awal ni. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Have a nice day, sir.